Learn how to get started with pre-built Azure virtual machines ready for containers in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. If you're wanting to get started with Docker and you're thinking, if there were some VMs that were already set up with Docker and some images for me to try out, then you should definitely check out the VMs that are available inside of the Azure Marketplace. Here inside of the Azure portal, I'm going to just type in virtual machines. I'm going to go down to the virtual machines section. I'm going to click on add. And here inside of the marketplace, I'm just going to search for containers. Another thing that I could do is I could use the filter. And then here on the right hand side, I could determine the operating system that I want to choose. So if I want Windows or even Linux containers, I'll just select them both for now. I'll click done. And now that should refine my search results. If we take a look at some of the results that we have here, notice that I have various Windows and Linux VMs that already have containers available. If I click on this Windows Server 2016 data center, you can see that this one already comes with Windows Server container images already installed and ready to use with Docker. All you have to do now is hit create, go through the setup, and now you have your very own virtual machine with Docker and container images already available for you to try out and play with.